Hello, welcome back. Just thought I'd show you this. I was given this little Hayterette back in the summer. It had been stored in a log store for like the last 12 years, or we believe it's 12 years, and it hasn't been started in all that time. There's a chainsaw that comes with it. I'll do that in a video next as well, so I'll put these two up together sort of thing. But it's a little Hayterette, and I thought, soon as I've had to take the videos off just for Christmas, because I'm still waiting to decide what to do with a project, I thought what I would do is to get this started, get it running over Christmas, and film that sort of process of it. I'm not going to do a restore on it because I know you can't see it, but down here is a crack in the deck, and that's why this wheel's leaning over. I don't think you can really see it from the angle you're at. So it's not worth doing a restore as far as I'm concerned, but it's just a matter of trying to get it up and running. I was going to try to start it on this video, but the petrol tank is actually full of water, so where it's been sort of pulled out, like I say, it's pulled out when we had all that hot weather in the summer, and it's been sitting in my garden ever since. But like I say, I was giving it, and when I got it, it was covered in sawdust. Obviously, like I said, I just chucked it outside and forgot about it. So the rain's washed all the sawdust off. But it's not in bad condition actually. It's bloody stiff to turn over. So it might pay to, I don't know, might strip it down, I don't know. Like I said, we're going to look into that, getting that going. So like I said, just a quick video, and the next video what I'm going to put up will be the chainsaw. I'll show you that, and then like I say, over Christmas hopefully we'll get a chance to come down here and get them going.